Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English one word at a time. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful word, below. Below is an A1 level word, which means it's perfect for beginners and is commonly used in everyday English. As a preposition, below means under something. Let's break it down. You might use below when talking about something that is lower in position. For example, the keys are below the table. Here, it clearly describes that the keys are under or at a lower level than the table. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for below. Words like under, beneath, and lower then can often be used interchangeably. For instance, you could say, the notebook is under the chair, or the shoes are beneath the bed. Notice how they all convey the same idea. On the other hand, the antonyms of below are words like above, over, or higher than. For example, the lamp is above the desk, or the airplane flew over the clouds. These words indicate a higher position, the opposite of below. How can you use below in daily life? It's everywhere. You might say, check the notes below the diagram when explaining something, or the temperature today is below freezing when talking about the weather. These are just a few ways to make this word part of your everyday vocabulary. Here are some more sentence examples for you. The painting hangs below the mirror on the wall. Please write your answer below the question. The valley lies below the mountain. Each of these uses shows how flexible and common below can be. To wrap things up, we've explored the word below, its meaning, some synonyms and antonyms, and examples of how you can use it in real life. I hope this episode helps you feel more confident using this essential word. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Hello Word podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find the show. I'd also love to hear your creativity. Try making your own sentence using below and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.